did get this jumper pulled from this box, which connects it all the way to the other side over to there, which is at the beginning of the video. I'll try to show you guys again. So this goes up, and then it goes to, I went over the top of like all these beams, so all the way over to like in there, and then oops, and then starting to work on these boxes right here. I have to run the switch legs up to the middle of the room, so like somewhere in here for that one, and then somewhere in here for this one. Yeah, I gotta stick that in, make this one up, and then stick these two in, and then add a switch leg and make that one up. So it was a really good day. Just working on all that stuff, adding data pipes and pipe or wire, and then home run up to that box. So I was over there, now I'm over here. So I went across the whole ceiling, which I thought was going to be a really big deal, but it really wasn't. So you can see the wire right there, and then that goes around right there, down the top, and then right into this box right here for the power in, which is probably power out, but anyways, doesn't matter too much on the labels because it doesn't, I mean, as long as you know the switch leg. So this is probably backwards because it needs a home run to the panel or to the home run box, so this should be power out, but anyways, doesn't really matter too much because as long as you know you got your power wires and you got your switch leg and you got all the wires you need, it's all good. But I've just been labeling them. Most people probably don't, but anyways, it's all good. So I think there's a shooter, they got like a drone, they got the helicopter, it's like 50 police cars up the street, and then they got like a couple snipers on the hood of this truck over here. Alright guys, as you can see by that last video clip, there was a shooting a couple blocks from where I was working today. Obviously I didn't really know that, I could assume that, I asked someone at work, but I was just listening to music all day, so I didn't really hear anything. But I guess it was like some 80-year-old guy who just like opened fired in this building, shot like 4 people that I know so far, and one of them is dead. So keep the family in your prayers. That's just horrible. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and drop a like if you want to help support me. It would help me out. Subscribe if you want to see videos tomorrow. I'd also appreciate that. Drop a comment. No, 0 comments on the last video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. See you later. Peace out.